Getting started with Microsoft Teams Mobile.
Microsoft Teams makes it easy to organize group study sessions right from your phone. Start by installing the Teams app from your device's App Store and signing in with your school or personal account. Once inside, you can join existing teams or create a new one dedicated to your study group, helping everyone stay connected and organized.
Scheduling a study meeting.
To schedule a group study session, tap the calendar icon at the bottom of the Teams app. Select the plus sign to create a new meeting. Add a clear title like Math Study Group. Choose the date and time. Invite group members and set it as a recurring event if you plan regular sessions. Tap Save to send out invitations.
Sharing study materials in Teams.
Microsoft Teams allows you to easily share resources. Open your study group chat or team, tap the paperclip or plus icon to upload files, images, or links directly from your device or cloud storage. This ensures everyone has access to the same materials, making collaboration and revision much smoother.
Using video, chat, and collaboration tools.
During a study meeting, use the built-in video call feature to communicate face-to-face. Teams chat allows you to send messages, ask questions, and share quick notes without interrupting the session. The whiteboard feature, or screen sharing, can help illustrate concepts visually, supporting interactive and productive group discussions.
Managing and following up after sessions.
After each study meeting, review chat notes and shared files in your group's conversation. You can assign action items, set reminders for upcoming sessions, and continue discussions asynchronously. Keeping everything organized within Teams means your group always has a record of what was covered and what's coming next.